Coming up today on Out and About Columbus, we're going to help you get ready for game day. That's right, we've got everything, including your game day apparel, a few places to catch the game, and even a way to get into shape like your favorite athlete. So put that remote down. It's time to go out and about. Founded in 1959 and located less than 500 yards from Ohio Stadium, the Varsity Club is the ideal location for pregame and postgame festivities, offering live entertainment, cold beverages, and great food. The Varsity Club's owner, Tony Malika, told Renee how the Varsity Club has become one of the biggest tailgate parties in the country.
Tell everybody what it's like at game day here at the Varsity Club.
Well, game days are pretty crazy. We open up some new bars. We have 3 temporary bars to accommodate all the fans. It's become somewhat of a tradition in Columbus to come by here before and after the games. Obviously, we're a couple hundred yards from the stadium, so when you have 100,000 people really across the street from you, you plan on being pretty busy. But it's it's just a fun place to come. We have live music, we have DJs, we have several, like I said, bars for your refreshments, outstanding food. We have our own pizzas and subs, and then we have a few vendors come down. Schmidt's Sausage House comes down. They've been a partner of ours for a long time. So we got great food. We got a great radio station as a partner, QFM. We got Budweiser as a partner. For about the last 30 years, they've been partnering with us. And then we have live music. And this year, as well as the last 2, we have the Danger Brothers, which is a famous local band. They've been playing before Ohio State football games at the Heine Gate before they dismantled. So we brought them over here to the Varsity Club, and it's been a nice fit.
That's great. Well, nobody's on the patio right now, but this is really a nice patio. I bet this is where the action is.
The patio is the busiest of all places. It is covered. We covered it about 15 years ago to make it so you come out here even if it was raining. The coldness doesn't matter, just nobody wants to get wet. But this is the place to be. It's hard to get in sometimes. We get rid of all the tables and chairs, and it's standing room only. And you can fit a few hundred people out here. And we have a DJ on the stage, and it's pretty rocking throughout the day on a football Saturday.
Stay up to date with all the latest news, events, and information from Out and About Columbus by liking us on Facebook. Go to facebook.com/Out and About Columbus.
Since 1974, College Traditions has been making fans of all ages feel like they're kids in a candy store. Located on Lane Avenue, just north of Ohio Stadium, College Traditions has the biggest and best selection of gifts for fans of all ages. We spoke with the owner, Kelly Dawes, and found out what fans can expect when they visit this season.
We're not just your normal Buckeye store. We've taken a lot of things into consideration. We want it to be a Buckeye experience for people. So from the minute you get out of your car, you hear the Buckeye music, and that gets people all pumped up. We have a sculpture of Woody Hayes out front and a Brutus Buckeye, Dot the I Brutus, and people come all day long and get pictures taken with those two. You know you're doing your job well when you hear the customer go, "Oh my gosh, look at this, they've got that," and they're showing each other different things. I mean, we have everything from home and office, garden, flags, bathroom, bedroom, whatever you want, we have it. Of course, all the tailgating things. We've got the paper products and that sort of thing. We've got the spirit gear, all new merchandise for men and women, children. One of the biggest things right now is the Michigan toilet paper, which we've had in for a while, and people just go nuts over that. I have a lot of favorites. Nike has done a great job this year with the merchandise. We've got the new game jersey for both men and women and kids, so that's been real popular. One of the great things too is we really do a lot with our kids section, And we have anywhere from infant up to youth, and really we outfit infant through 5X, which is really nice. So we've got something for every Buckeye. But our kids section is really extensive. We have really cute onesies, Poop on Michigan. We've got little jerseys for kids. So we've got a lot of novelties and games and that sort of thing. So something for everybody here.
Tired of doing the same thing every weekend? Try something new. Check out the event calendar at outandaboutcolumbus.com for the latest events and information.
Are you looking for a fitness club with a punch? Then Title Boxing Club is the fitness club for you. Title Boxing Clubs offer explosive total body boxing and kickboxing fitness workouts for men and women of all ages. Renee caught up with James Minter and learned more about how Title Boxing Club can get you into shape.
Well, we're here at the Title Boxing Club, and I'm with James Minter, and they're just wrapping up one of the workouts, which has been phenomenal. James, tell us exactly what is the Power Hour workout, and why is it so effective?
The Power Hour workout is a total body workout. It works with core strength exercises, cardiovascular, and also muscle toning. You work for 60 minutes solid. You have 3-minute rounds with 60 seconds of active rest, so you never stop. Some people can burn up to 1,000 calories with just one class, and it's a lot of fun. You have music going the whole time. Trainers will keep you motivated. You have someone that's with you the entire hour pushing you. You're working on a 100-pound bag, so you have the resistance against the bag. That certainly helps out a lot. And then you just sweat and you just burn the calories.
Well, let's talk about your memberships here, because there's so much to do. Is it all inclusive? And you've got several locations. Can you go anywhere you would like to go?
Yes, your Title Boxing Club membership is all inclusive. You can participate in every single class at all 6 locations. We have Hilliard, we have New Albany, we have Polaris, we have Powell, we have Pickerington, and this is our newest location here in Upper Arlington. So all 6 locations, you can come in, you can work out on the free weights, you can take as many classes as you want, open 7 days a week. You can get information about individual classes at each specific club on the website. It's just titleboxingclub.com, and if you go there and you pull up the Ohio clubs, it'll identify specific locations, and you can look on there and see what classes are available. But everything is all inclusive. The only other thing that you might want to pick up on, and depending on where you are in your workout, is the trainers can also do personal training, and that is a nominal fee outside of the membership, but that's also available.
Want to learn more about any of today's show guests? Go to outandaboutcolumbus.com.
Located near the Union County Airport on Columbus Avenue, the Q-Stick Cafe is the ultimate sports bar in Marysville. Mike met with Rick and Bonnie Dawson, who told us why the Q is the place to watch the game on Saturday afternoons.
Rick, I'll start with you. I know you're OSU alumni, and how did you get to be the official watch place for OSU football?
Well, Mike being an alumni, I went and I talked to him, and I found out that the Alumni Association did not have an official watch location for Union County, so I talked to him, I showed them our facility, and they were happy to make us the official location for Union County.
Yeah. Well, tell us a little bit about that facility, because you have got an incredible screen here.
Well, I'll tell you what, we built Q-Stick Cafe 5 years ago. My wife, Bonnie, was kind of instrumental behind the design and the input on everything here. We wanted a full-service bar with a full menu. We wanted a place where people could come in and be active. They could have pool, they could shoot darts, they could play shuffleboard, a lot of variety, and that was kind of what we wanted to do as far as an evening out.
Tell me about the screen, because that's what I want to hear about. Because when I come in and watch the game, I want to know that I can really see and feel the game.
Well, we wanted to try to do something a little bit different, and the thing was, we looked at different types of TVs, and we said, hey, if we're going to go big, let's go all the way. We brought in a 12-foot high-def projector screen, and it's right there behind my shoulder, and it's the largest screen now in Union County, and you can come in and it's like being at the live game.
Yeah, it's incredible. Bonnie, I'm going to turn to you because your lady's going to tell me about the food. I know you got some good stuff to eat here.
Well, we try to specialize in high-end pub food. Everything is made as fresh as possible. Pizza and wings are our specialties, and we're also known for our burgers.
Yeah. And you also have a good selection of beer here. I understand the craft beer being very popular now, right?
Right. Craft beers are indeed popular. Union County is finally coming up to speed as far as the taste buds for the craft beers. We also move a lot of domestic products as well.
Yeah. Fantastic. And you got a lot of live entertainment here. Even if I'm not coming in for the game, come up and see some other stuff here, right?
That's true. We try and bring in live entertainment on the weekends. Some of it are local bands, a lot of them out of Columbus, and we've even got a great magician that comes in.
With multiple locations throughout Columbus, the Buckeye Room has everything you need for the big game, whether you're just tailgating or watching the game at home. Renee met up with Jason McFarland at their Polaris Mall location to talk about all the products that they offer that can make any fan happy.
What are the big hot items this year that every Buckeye fan wants to wear?
Well, right now, as we head up to game day, everybody wants the new jersey. Right, just came out this year. They updated especially what Nike calls the limited jersey, right, which has 7 stitched-on Buckeye leaves on the back. A nice addition to the jersey. Right now, we do have it in scarlet, and we have it in the away white as well. That's definitely been the most popular item. As well as all the new exciting T-shirts that are coming out, including the Truth T-shirt and even the Urban Meyer Nose T-shirt.
So, if it's anything Buckeye or anything Urban Meyer, it's going to be found here. Now, how about memorabilia? Because I know this is a big thing for you guys. What do you have in that area?
Yeah, sure. We do get pretty deep into the autograph business as well. New and exciting, along with Ohio State, is the Urban Meyer stuff, where we have autographed 16x20s, mini helmets, full-size helmets, everything from even some perfect season helmets from last year as well.
Well, I know not everybody's an Ohio State fan. I mean, there's fans of all kinds, football, baseball, basketball. So what else do you carry?
We actually carry NFL, Major League Baseball items, especially right now as the NFL season approaches as well. As we move from Saturday to Sunday, we'll go to the NFL merchandise, where we have your Bengals, Browns, Steelers, and a little something from all 32 NFL teams. And with the Major League Baseball playoffs approaching, we do have Indians and Reds. I know the Indians are just slightly back right now, but they'll get there, and we do have plenty of that stuff in stock: jerseys, T-shirts, everything to go to the games.
Well, we're at the Polaris Mall, but you have other locations. Where are they?
Absolutely. As well as here, we have it right across the street at the Polaris Town Center, which creates a nice little in and out for game day traffic, especially those Friday nights and Saturday mornings. We also have a store at the Tuttle Crossing Mall downstairs, and also on Stringtown Road in Grove City.
If you're looking for a quick way to get to and from the game and to solve the problem of trying to find some parking, then look no further than Coda Bus. Mike spoke with Kelsey Marty about the plan Coda has put into place to simplify all your transportation needs for the big game.
Well, it's almost football season. Of course, the best way is the bus way to get to the OSU football games. We've got Kelsey Marty joining us today. Kelsey, welcome back to the show.
Thanks, Mike. How are you?
So tell us about the great service that Coda provides to get everybody into the game.
Well, it definitely is a great service. Coda operates 2 express routes that operate from the Crosswoods Park and Ride, which is up off of 23, and then also the Ohio Expo Center at the Ohio State Fairgrounds. We operate 2 express services from those locations here to the shoe.
Wow. And what does it cost to take that express service?
So we have a couple of different prices. If you are parking at Crosswoods Park and Ride, it's free to park up there, and then it's going to be $5.50 per person round trip. So that'll get you down here and then back up to Crosswoods after the game. And then if you're a child, if you're 12 and under, you can get that full round trip fare for $2. And then if you're coming from the fairgrounds, you're going to be paying $5 for parking and then $5.50 for your round trip. And then again for the $2 for children.
So I know that getting into the games are easy on Coda. So where do they drop you off?
So they'll take you right to 17th and Neal, which is just at the top of the hill from the shoe. Then you'll walk on down, and then that's where they're going to pick you up after the game as well.
So what time does the service run?
Well, Mike, the service starts operating 3 hours before kickoff, and then it's going to stop running 2 hours after the game concludes. So you have plenty of time to get down here if you want to catch your friends over at, tailgating before the game. You have plenty of time to do so.
So what else does people need to know about Coda Bus service to the game?
Well, Mike, it's critical to know that there are also 5 local lines that operate from campus or through the campus area. These are lines 2, 7, 18, 21, and 80. The line 21 is going to be especially awesome as it runs on Saturday nights. So those 2 8 o'clock games that we have this year, definitely going to be able to shuttle you back downtown if that's where you're trying to go. And those services are $2 each way, and then children are free though. They're 48 inches and under.
Located in Worthington at the crossroads of I-270 and Route 23 and just minutes north of Ohio Stadium is the Hyatt Place Columbus Worthington. Renee spoke with Jennifer Yannian about everything that the Hyatt Place has to offer their guests during their stay.
And Jennifer, why is Hyatt Place the ultimate place for watching the game or staying here for the game?
Well, we're very lucky to be located in the Crosswoods area. We're conveniently located at the Route 270 and 23 exit, and we're accessible to all the highways, but most importantly, we're right across the street from a COTA bus stop. And luckily, it takes you right down High Street, and it's one of those things where, the time it saves you to get on the COTA bus and take you right down High Street, drops you right off at the Ohio State University campus, and you're able to save time because parking, for one thing, around the Campus Day area can be very congested, and walking to the university actually saves you time to take the bus stop. And it's right across from the street from our hotel entrance. So
it's fantastic. And also, when you come back, there's lots of places to go afterwards.
Absolutely. We are very lucky to be surrounded and within walking distance to several restaurants, ranging from upscale restaurants to fast food, with a few sports bars in the mix of it as well. So,
well, let's talk about some of the amenities here at Hyatt Place. What do you have here? I know you have this fabulous breakfast bar because I smell it. Let's talk about that.
Well, we are lucky. Our Hyatt Place does include, and all Hyatt Places I should say, does include the AM Kitchen Skillet, which features breakfast sandwiches, so you do have your hot items on the breakfast menu. We have the hot and cold cereals. We have a variety of breakfast breads, juices. There's yogurt and oatmeal that all of our guests can enjoy.
What about if you're not going to go to the game? Why is this a good place to be if you want to just watch the game?
Yeah, well, our guest rooms are phenomenal. We're an all-suite property, and the size of our rooms, you can definitely hang out in the rooms if you don't have tickets, and we have a 42-inch flat screen TV that is a great way to watch the game if you don't have tickets and can't get down to campus.
If you've missed any of today's show, you can watch it online anytime. OutandAboutColumbus.com.
Since 1974, Mellow Mushroom's mission has been to serve a deliciously unparalleled pizza in an unforgettable environment. We stopped by the new Dublin location and talked with Colby Zacharich and how they can turn any game day party into true eating happiness.
Tell us a little bit about this location, because this is a little bit, I guess the word would be more upscale than what Polaris has, maybe a little bit, huh?
Yeah, this store is a lot different. Like I said, same great food, same great beers, everything on tap. The design's a little bit different, just like every other Mellow Mushroom across the country. It's not a cookie cutter place. Everyone's different, and actually put a lot of time and effort into this one. Got to correct our mistakes that we made over at the Polaris store. So, and we got a new one going out in New Albany, so that one will be different than the one here and the one at Polaris. So.
Give us a little history on Mellow Mushroom. I remember you talking about this last year, because you walk in, you see all the unusual posters and stuff on the walls. What's the story behind it?
It was actually started by 3 college students back in 1974 down in Atlanta, Georgia, and 3 hippies came up with the name Mellow Mushroom, and pretty successful. And they weren't really planning on franchising, and it just kind of took off. And now there's over about 150 stores across the country, and continuing to grow here in the Columbus area also.
Tell us a little bit about Mellow Mushroom, what they're going to find here.
Well, we got 22 TVs here at Mellow Mushroom, Dublin, 18 at the Polaris store, and it's a great place to come. We got a lot of beer, a lot of great food, cater for events, so if you guys are planning on watching the game at home, pick up a bunch of Mellow Mushroom pizzas and take them home. So.
You've got a couple in front of us, and you were talking about this one in particular. Tell us what's in this one. Is this one of your signature ones, or what's the deal?
This potato pie it's incredible. It's oil garlic base, has bacon, sliced red skin potatoes. It's got chives on top, sour cream, and a spicy ranch dressing. So I mean, it's an amazing pizza.
OutandAboutColumbus.com is your inside source for all of Columbus entertainment, events, and information. Check it out now.
The Thurman Cafe has been a landmark in German Village since 1942. Home of the famous Thurminator and Coney Island, Thurman Cafe offers the best burgers in Columbus. Mike talked with Donna Duvall about what they have planned for the football season and how you can now get your Thurmans to go.
Tell us a little bit about Thurmans to go, because I know when you come down to Thurmans, sometimes the food is so good, you're just waiting to get in. So I know you're trying to fix that up.
Yeah, well, we did a trial on having Thurman to go right next door, and it kicked right in. Basically, what it did, it took a little bit of the pressure off our kitchen, and for those who didn't want to wait, the full time, They can run next door, they can call in, and they get their carry out in a pretty good time. It just depends how big the order is, but it's a little bit faster.
Not only do you have the one next door to your location here in German Village, but you've got another one that you're putting in out east, right?
Right, we're working on it right now. I'm not sure of the open date. It's hopefully in the next few months.
And what's that location going to be? Taylor? Is it Taylor and Broad?
It's Taylor and Broad, I believe.
Yeah.
It's near the intersection, Taylor and Broad.
I know September 28th, you guys are going to be kind of in the area of the OSU game, right?
Yes, we are.
So tell us what's going on with that.
It'll be for the 97-1, the fan. They are having the tent that they do, and we're going to be cooking burgers.
Yeah, and they are terrific. And speaking of burgers, I got to tell you, last time I was here, I tried a Terminator. Tell us what goes into that. If you have never seen one of these, it's the most amazing thing.
Do you have the time? It's basically a Thurman burger on top of a bacon burger. So it pretty much consists of 2 patties, 3 cheeses. It has bacon. It has sauteed onions, hams, mushrooms, peppers, lettuce, tomato, onion, pickle.
Don, how tall was that burger? I mean, that was huge.
I've never measured it.
For more information about this or any of our guests, go to our website, outandaboutcolumbus.com.
Since beginning here in Columbus in 1982, Buffalo Wild Wings has grown into the nation's best sports bar and restaurant. Buffalo Wild Wings is known for 3 things, and they do all 3 very well: wings, beer, and sports. We talked with Andy Powell to find out what makes them the premier destination to watch all of the big games.
But how did BW's get started, and how big are you now?
We are actually just pushing 1,000 locations in 2 countries. We're in Canada and the United States, and started in 1982. So we're a little over 30 years strong, and started in Ohio State's campus on Woodruff.
There was a couple guys that thought that they needed some wings, right?
Yep, they came down from Kent, actually, is where they were going to school. Came down to Ohio State, couldn't find any good wing joints, and started this.
Well, he certainly changed history with this, didn't he?
Yes.
So let's talk about watching football, because obviously Columbus loves football, a lot of great teams, a lot of NFL teams, and this is a place to really enjoy it. Tell us why.
Well, we've got 50-plus HD TVs. We've got every game you could possibly think of. If you're from California or the East Coast, West Coast, we're going to have your game and be able to put that on. And if you are transient, you move around, like multiple games, we're going to put them on for you.
And you have a pretty good selection of beers, I understand.
We do. Depending on our location, we have anywhere from 20 to 30 draft beers, from domestics, crafts, imports, you name it.
Is some of the specials that you have during the week. I'm a Tuesday night wing guy here. Tell us about some of the specials you have, Andy.
I was saying, you stole that one. That's probably our most popular. You get discounted wings on Tuesdays. It's from open to close, and we also have our boneless Thursdays. So for the boneless wing lovers out there, we can take care of them on Thursday as well.
Are you telling me I should show up on Thursday now?
Yeah. We've got that for you as well, and we've got great lunch specials, for a lot of folks out there that want to sneak out for lunch as well.
With multiple locations throughout Columbus, Buckeye Corner has the largest selection of school hats, apparel, and other merchandise in the latest styles and trends. We stopped by the Lane Avenue location, and Mike met with Bruce Harlan, who told Mike about everything that they have to offer.
Buckeye Corner, give us a little history on this, because this place seems like it's been around forever.
Business has been around for 33 years. It started in 1980 with one store at the Continent. We've been involved since 1990. Business was sold to Lid Sports Group out of Indianapolis in 2011, and we have 4 stores in the Columbus area and a national website, BuckeyeCorner.com. The original tagline was the campus store off campus. People could easily get to the stores. Our stores are all located in shopping centers or malls where people can get to on a daily basis.
You always wonder, what is the biggest, the hottest selling item of the season? And this season, what is it?
Here it is right here. It's this number 5 jersey. This happens to be our best item in the eastern part of the United States for our company. So it's been real strong the last couple of weeks. This is a newer style for Nike. It's like what they're going to wear on field. They've added the Buckeye leaves on the back. And been real popular for us.
I would tend to think this is a very popular spot for that Buckeye fan you got in the house.
We got everything we sell can be a gift. and that's the fun part during the holidays. For many years, we've always talked about showing your spirit with style, and also that there's a Buckeye gift for every person, from kids to adults, in our stores.
How do we find you? How do we get more information? And how do we, if we're living out of the area and want to get online?
BuckeyeCorner.com is our national website. It's available 24/7. We also have Facebook and Twitter, and 2 of our local store managers are constantly using social media to communicate with the customers.
Located at Lenox within walking distance of the stadium, Champs is more than just a sports bar and grill. With a bold menu and an open kitchen, people come to Champs to watch the game but leave cheering for the food. We caught up with Mike Tracy, who told us about some great specialty drinks, and Andy Orton, who told us more about their phenomenal menu.
Well, we have drink specials every day of the week. We do a happy hour Monday through Friday from 3:30 to 6:30, where we've got specials on wine, martinis, and Ohio craft beers, as well as domestic beers. And then we do specials every day of the week. Fridays we have our half-price bottles of wine. Monday and we do bourbons. All of our bourbons are $2 off. Wednesdays is Ohio Appreciation Day. We do all of our Ohio beers and liquors for $2 off. And Thursday is our draft night. All short drafts are $3. Well, we've got a selection here. We've got our Spiked Cherry Limeade, which is an adult version of our Cherry Limeade. We have our Cucumber Melon Mojito, which has a little hint of watermelon in it. We have our Patron XO, which is a great dessert drink for after your dinner. We have our bourbon selection that we have ice balls for. Helps prevent from watering them down so that you can enjoy them longer.
This is a fairly new item for us. This is a stuffed burger. We stuff it with applewood smoked bacon, sharp cheddar cheese, and caramelized onions. This is a classic we've had for years and years and years, whoever comes here on football Saturdays. This is a Jack Stack. It's 2 7-ounce patties of ground beef, applewood smoked bacon, mayonnaise, lettuce, tomatoes, onion, pickles, signature waffle fries, and our queso dip. Guacamole burger, we've had this for about a year. Again, our scratch-made guacamole on there, cilantro, 7-ounce ground beef patty done here, homemade pico de gallo, lime wedge, waffle fries, and iceberg lettuce. 4-spice seared tuna, served with a pickled cucumber relish that we make, wasabi, and then it's also served with the soy sauce, and you mix that at the table.
For our next stop, we went to Utzi's Farm Market, where you will find friendly service and the freshest quality fruits, vegetables, deli meats, and cheeses at prices that you can truly afford. We talked with Greg Utzi to find out what else they plan to offer this fall and why they're absolutely worth the drive out to Plain City for your game day feast.
Where are we at with the crops now? I mean, we're moving through the summer so fast.
We are. I mean, we're a couple of weeks away, actually a week away from our school starting out here, but we're still picking heavy. We've got our cantaloupe, cucumbers, pickles, zucchini, peppers, cabbage, just started good in tomatoes. Of course, we've got sweet corn every day.
Yeah. How's the crops look now this year? I mean, we've seen a lot of rain.
Right, we did early on, but the crops have really adjusted, and you know, as long as our fall finishes out normal, we'll probably have one of the best crop years we've ever had in this area.
Yeah. How's these lower temperatures? I'm noticing we're getting down into the 40s here in the evening. Is that going to affect crops at all?
It does hurt us a little bit. We need heat to finish off our field corn especially, and the soybeans. What we're hoping for is that we don't get an early frost. That would hurt us pretty bad. But you know, as long as things stay normal, temperatures normal out a little bit, we'll have a great season this fall.
Well, I hate to bring this up, but we're about a week away from football. But the good news is I know where to get the party trays for those football games.
That's right, and boy, it's just hard to believe, but boy, football is a great season of the year. We can make those trays for you at $34. We'll feed, we say 20 to 25, but if it's all guys watching the game, you better figure 15.
Especially if they're your size.
That's right, we can put it away.
How far in advance in getting ready for the game?
Call at least a day ahead. Now, remember too, you can save yourself some money, and we're all about that. Save some money if you just order the meat and cheese and make your own tray. And if it's a bunch of guys, they don't care about a tray. Just throw it out on a plate, and they'll pick it up and they'll eat it.